Here I have XIAOMI Poco X4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. Here you can add timestamp to photos, you can add device watermark, and now let's try to take a photo with our new watermarks. And as you can see, now we have these watermarks on our photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.